reminder of this shit day.
Let's start cooking. We are driving. Awesome. Hi guys and welcome back to another vlog.
This is already our second week in Spain, and today and hopefully tomorrow we're exploring the Dead Valley of Spain, better called the Bardenas Reales.
We are super stoked to be exploring the desert here in Spain. It's been 3 years I guess since we explored the Sahara Desert in Morocco, but now we have the car with us and we hope we can camp here. Come along!
And as we are driving here for about 2 days on the off-road tracks, it's a good idea to deflate the tires.
Literally everything is such a vibe here. We've only drove for 5 minutes. We took already some pictures. We will be taking lots of pictures probably. And I think in 5 more minutes we get to like this big rock formation at this famous rock, the most famous one of the whole park probably.
Now we will get changed for a nice picture here.
We have like 3 different outfits with us, so we can take a lot of pictures. Time to get changed now. We got the shots and now we will just walk around before we continue our road to, yeah, I don't know what's next. Another pit stop and once again another outfit. We can't get enough of the environment. It's just like crazy that we have this in Europe. It really feels like America or something.
It's pretty epic. Yeah.
Yes, really epic.
And it's already getting sketchy to camp here because we saw some police officers driving around here to check everything, so I think they will be here in the evening also, so we will see. But
it sucks a bit as we were really looking forward to spend the night here. So cool and epic, but we don't want to have any troubles with police or even the military because there's a military station here in the middle of the desert. Now back to exploring everything here. We have been walking around, shooting pictures, enjoying the view, so we got hungry and thank God we have the fridge because now we have like a very fresh lunch. We just encountered some other guys with Land Rovers, which is awesome. Also equipped and traveling around.
this place is really surreal. It's so nice. It's like driving through America or something. Maybe one day in America, who knows.
You guys, this place is phenomenal. You should really visit it here. It's just amazing. The only downside is that there's a lot of wind.
And we almost finished our trip here. We're at our last stop. A nice viewpoint, I guess.
Tomorrow we are heading back here to drive around and visit the other side of the park, which we are still very excited about, but now we are really tired of all the walking, driving,
shooting,
yeah, changing outfits. So yeah, but it was a very good day, yeah. And it's not done yet. We finally found a spot to set up our camp or the tent. Kevin is already setting up the tent. I will cook dinner, and I think we will see you tomorrow when we are ready to explore the desert here in Spain for the second day. So see you then!
Good morning and welcome back to day 2 of exploring the Bardenas Reales.
So yesterday we already explored the main area and today we want to explore like the outer parts. So no idea how they will look, if they are as spectacular as yesterday. We will find out and we will take you with us.
First viewpoint of the day.
What a nice way to start this day. So, after this morning's adventure or drive through the desert once again, we decided that we wanted to head to a campsite, also because it's like so hot and we definitely were in need of a shower. Tomorrow we are back out there exploring, discovering, so super excited about that, ready for more adventures tomorrow.
We're ready for day 3 in the Bardenas Reales. Let's go!
What better way to start our third day here in the desert by making breakfast at our own camp spot. Let's start cooking. I don't think we ever had breakfast in a spot like this, and breakfast looks pretty good as well.
And Leah has been driving for about 1 hour now and we're still alive. Woo! But we have stopped for another amazing scenery and we're going to check that out.
Thank God that we are leaving tomorrow because they are predicting weather up to 40 degrees here, which is insane. Right now it's 30, 32, 33, no idea, but it's so hot already.
As you saw, Leah was driving the car. We just took a little dip and she went a little bit too hard and look what happened. That doesn't look good. Hopefully we can fix it for now.
There's just like other people who arrived and they can't pass because we are here stuck. The man and even the little kid with Kevin, they are searching for like a block of wood we can put under there so we can like just go to the garage and hopefully everything gets fixed. Very friendly people and they didn't want to leave us here behind in the desert all alone, so really sweet of them.
Thank God we found this one. While I was chopping the wood, I got this. It will be a reminder of this shit day.
I feel bad now because I was the one driving, even though we knew this could happen any moment as it was a weak point, especially because Kevin got like hurt on his hand as well and he has been chopping wood in 20 minutes in this heat. Thank God I have a boyfriend who knows what to do when a car or the trailer breaks down. I don't know where we would be right now otherwise.
We added another strap of 2 because we have to drive a little bit because of course there is no reception here. Yay. Hopefully this holds it together. Now our mission is to find a garage and have some reception.
We are driving for now at like 5 per hour, something like that. So now we got to find a welder or a garage, but first we need to have reception and get out of the desert.
A little update. We arrived at the hotel, a very basic hotel because we can't sleep in a tent tonight. We did find a welder. It's not that far from here, so tomorrow at 8 o'clock we're going to the welder and hopefully they can fix it right there. So yeah, look at it. We were driving like this. We're here, so finally.
Welcome to our crib for the night. We are already fully installed. As you can see, we made a mess of the room already, We are showered, probably the best shower in a very long time, and we will get ready for dinner and then see how we get the trailer fixed tomorrow when we find a welder.
Going out for dinner after this adventurous day. We will see where we will end up.
There is not much here in the neighborhood. Eventually we ended up at Burger King.
Whoa,
yay, fancy.
Very fancy.
But they do have a lot of vegetarian things, which is great. I'm already looking forward to breakfast tomorrow morning. It's all included in the price, and I think it's a buffet, which I adore because I can eat a ton of food. Hey guys, good morning. So this morning I had breakfast all alone here at the hotel right behind me because Kevin went to the garage and got the trailer fixed already.
And it's time to pick up our trailer as it already got fixed. So yeah, let's go. Here she is, ready to go. It's all fixed, so yeah. You can't see a lot on the outside, but everything is in the inside to make sure it will last for 3 months. So yeah, hopefully it holds together.
And we are now ready to hit the road again. We are going back to the coast for some refreshment surfing. Make sure you are subscribed if you want to know what we are up to in the coming weeks and months here in Spain and Portugal.
What an adventure this was at the Bardenas Reales.